In this video, I'm going to show you how to hear yourself on BandLab Mobile. Now, the first thing you have to do, you actually want to open up any project, and then there's two ways to do this. The first one is if you're here inside your tracks, you could go ahead and just hit record wherever you want. So for example, if I hit this blue one over here, and if I tap on the record button at the bottom, as you can see at the bottom right, there's like the headphone icon. So if I tap on it, and if it's white like this, it's going to turn on this monitoring, and now I'll be able to actually hear myself inside my headphones. Okay, so that's the first way to do this. However, there's also one more way to do it, even if you're not recording, and I'm going to show you that right now. So you can go up top where you can see there's like different buttons over here. You want to tap on this one, which is the gear icon, the settings, and then in here under studio settings, if you scroll down a bit, you can see it's going to say monitoring. So it says input monitoring off. If you enable this like that over here, there we go, it's now on, and then you'll be able to hear yourself when you have this enabled. So this will basically enable the same thing as I just showed you, but you can enable it without actually having to record anything beforehand. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.